Hey guys, I designed the app that can help you with your converter needs and your calculator needs. So the first thing we're going to be looking at is the calculator. Um, so say you want the area and the perimeter of a square. You put in the length 1 and you put in the width 2, say. And the area is 2 and the perimeter is 6. And similarly, if you want a rectangle, say you put in those exact same parameters, it will go into the exact same numbers. But then you want a triangle. It will be a little different as triangle does not have a length and a width. It has a base, a height, and a side, right? So say you put in the side 3 and clicked on calculate. The area is 1 and the perimeter is 3. And that's also really helpful if you have homework and you need the area and the perimeter. So now we understood the basics of the calculator side. Let's go to the converter. This, in my opinion, is one of the most confusing ones because, well, at least to me, because like you need a lot of numbers. So this app can help you with that if you also are like me and find this confusing. So say you want a conversion. So say the homework is let's say 1 minute to hour. Convert 1 minute to hour. And you click on this convert button and the answer is 0.016. So yeah, that's basically the time part of conversion. Then you go into metric, kilometer to meter. The input value you put in 1, convert it is exactly 1,000 because 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. And then say you want centimeter, you put it in. 1 kilometer is equal to 100,000 centimeters. Also, that's like part of the conversion. And now you have got a basic idea of what you can convert out of these four choices. There are some of the main ones, and I think you'll find them most useful out of all the other ones. And now you've got a basic of like the outcome. You need to see what the my right hand screen or the steps that it took to build this. So on event shape choose change, which this is a shape choose. Say it changes to a triangle or something, and then it says hide element label 3. Oops, sorry. Where's label 3? Come label 3. Hide label 3 wherever it is. Hide element label 11. Label 11 and hide element show element, sorry, label 13, which is hidden. um Show element side 1 and show element label 10, which is also hidden. So else you hide the elements that you previously shown, and it's basically backwards. You hide the elements you have shown and you show the elements you have hidden. So that was the coding part. I mean the element part. Now let's get into the coding part. So basically what this code says, on event button 1 is clicked. Um, that says on event, which means when button 1 is clicked, if get text shape choose equals square, if they choose square, set text label 5, get text length 1, with this is length 1. So so when the button 1 is clicked and the shape equal is a square, then the length 1 times the width is the area of label 5. And this is basically the area, perimeter, I mean, of label of, uh, yeah, this part. So if they choose a rectangle, it's the same measure because a square can be defined as a rectangle, but don't confuse this. A rectangle cannot be defined as a square. And else, if they choose a triangle, and the triangle's measures is base times height times 1/2, right? So half times length times width, and it's the same thing as before. It goes here and here. Set text label 6 3 times length 1. Basically, whatever length 1 is, 3 times will be the parameter. And that's like if something else has come. Let's say we put A. Um, this is for like if something else has come. A and B, it will show no, nan. Label 5 0, label 6 0. That basically sums it up, that part. And then what this part basically says is, wait for it, is this. What if the type of conversion is chosen to be time, and get text from days, yeah, get text from this part and this part, put it in the, and then put like a number in the input value, click convert, and the result will be shown. This is like what the entire code will be just for that. I hope that gives you an idea of basically what we did. And yeah, if it doesn't, then I'm going to be, and today, right now, I'm going to be giving a better example. So yeah, so I'm going to be summing things up in a bit after I give the example. Say you put, let's say, time, and then you put, let's say, days and hours. The input value will be, and you put an input value of 1 and click on convert, the result will be 24. Hopefully that gives you an entire idea of what my app is like. And so I was really excited to create this and share it with you guys. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.